Euphoria before disaster or the beginning of the bull market. That is exactly what I'm gonna talk to you about today. It's been a crazy day yesterday. I'll be honest, I disrespected the pump. This is something you should never do. But you know, for me, this chart said down. We looked at Sol, rocketed. We looked at Bitcoin, rocketed. So we have to reevaluate and today talk about what is really happening in the markets. Welcome everybody. Good morning to the morning show. How is everybody doing? What is happening? Let me look at the chat. So nice seeing you, so many of you here. If you're new to the channel, this is the Traders Daily Digest. We do this every single day. We take trades, we discuss trades, we do crypto, we do forex, we do price predictions, we do Bitcoin, Sol, Ethereum, total market cap, everything else there is. So it's worth subscribing to the channel, smashing the like button, and leaving a like. Leaving a comment if you're here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Nitrobani, I see. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Drew asking a question, who is in the Telegram group? Very good question. We should talk about that as well. We were launching our own community. There is a Telegram group where you can connect with me and this amazing fam. I actually am blown away by the response. We've got 53 people who joined. You know, I'm overwhelmed, guys. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. We had 800 messages sent yesterday. I know some of you disabled the notifications, but we solved the issue now. We have an announcement segment topic, and then we have a chat topic. I'm going to show it to you in a second. But if you're not there, you have to be there. Exactly. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to this as well. Good morning, everybody. Oh, so many people. It's so nice seeing you. Amazing. All right, guys, let's jump into it. First, before we get started, I want to tell you that I have partnered with BYBIT. I'm going to put out a Twitter post about it as well. And to kick off our partnership, you can win. They put up an iPhone 15 for win. The only thing you gotta do is to sign up to my BYBIT link or transfer KYC if that's what you want to do. Now, the way you do it, there is in the description and in the pinned comments, there is a link. That link will take you, let me show you here. That link, so I'm just gonna show you. Here is my screen. So here is the stream that we're watching. If you scroll down here, you have a link tree down here. You click on that and that will take you to this page, right? So if you're on this page, there is an iPhone giveaway on the very top. You click on that and here's what you gotta do. You gotta sign up using this link. This is my referral link, and my name is Fefe actually. So like, I mean, the code is Fefe as well. So if you just sign up and you write in the referral code, it's Fefe. And then you have to deposit at least $100. I saw that some of you already signed up yesterday, but you have to deposit $100. And also, if you want to be part of the community, which I'm gonna talk about now, you will need to use this account because we will monitor the volume as well. So it's worth doing it. You know, you have to sign up and then KYC there, and then you fill out this already prepared here. So you click here, and once you've signed up and once you deposited $100, you just have to fill this out, UID, trading email address, and you will be put into the raffle. I will do the raffle at the end of the month. It's until the 13th, so we're gonna do it in December, early December. It is pretty cool. We need to have 35 people at least signing up to be able to do this. So I do recommend you do that. If you already have a BYBIT account, no problem. What you can do is to transfer KYC. You just search transfer KYC BYBIT, and then you are good to go. The other thing I want to point out is that we launch a community. Every single day, we are going to have a call with Rain and Nest, two of my good friends. London Open and New York Open. We're gonna trade forex, we're gonna trade crypto. It's gonna be on Zoom, it's gonna be a closed community, and to be very transparent with you, it will be a paid community from January, and that means that you will need to have a subscription to be able to participate in the calls, get the trades. We will grab you by the hand and take you through all the trades. So with this service, it's not something where we give you kind of signals and you do whatever you want. We guide you through every single trade. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna have a morning call. We're gonna prepare the setups that we have, something what we do here, but much more professional and much more detailed on more instruments, both forex and crypto, and we guide you through the trade. So as we have the call in the morning, you get a newsletter with all the discussed things immediately after the call. You get a voice memo as well, a voice note that you can listen to in the car, in the shop, whatever you do, and then if we update you on the trade as we go, right? For that, you will need to have a subscription from January, but Now what you can do is if you sign up with any of my links, again, description and down in the description, you will find the link tree, and then you can sign up for BYBIT, BingX, or OKX. And I'm already in discussion with BitGet, so it is coming as well. If you sign up to any of these exchanges, you just have to come into the Telegram and you will find all the details there. Joining the Telegram is free, so I would definitely join there. I want to show you as well. Here we have an announcement channel. You can leave that unmuted. And then we have a general chat. If you don't want to get pinged all the time, you can just mute this. But we have this chat here going on. We've got already like 700 messages sent yesterday. Pretty cool. So join here as well. And again, if you want to win an iPhone first, or if you want to join the community for free until December, you have to use one of our links. All right. I think I said everything I needed to say about this. Let's jump into the market, guys, because we have something to talk about. First of all, you know, I'll get, unfortunately, I'll have to leave because I have to take my car to the repair, and it's like a regular maintenance, and they didn't have any other time than this. So what I want to tell you is the following. Number one, I don't want to talk about on this stream. I don't want to talk about all the general stuff we do. We have the economic calendar. Yes, we do have unemployment claims today, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment, unemployment rate, all that stuff. We don't trade today, but we have that. Then we have bento bubbles. You know, everything is green. But what I really want to talk about, I don't want to talk about the Dixie as well. We said that I've been calling for this 107.155 on the Dixie. It induced. So we'll see what it does. If we break below this 105.903, that will confirm my thesis, and the Dixie is going down. We gotta see that. FOMC following up. Here's this tweet. Basically, you know, I have a day of the dead yesterday with my family, so I couldn't participate in FOMC and all that. So I just read this, basically this tweet. What I got from everything that I've read is that some things to note here is that so full effect of the tightening yet to be felt. So that means the reason why they're not increasing interest rates, or they are not thinking about stopping, is because they do not see the results as yet. So that means that they seeing the effects of 2022 rate hikes now, 1 year later. So if we're gonna see a recession, if we're gonna see anything, that will be down the line. And this is also what they're saying. You know, full effect of tightening yet to be felt. Basically, they are still targeting 2%. So it's still the target, but it is a long way to go. So what FOMC has not made a decision. This is also very, very important. So there is it used to be like a complete understanding of whether we want to increase rates or don't want to increase rates. That's not the case right now. So there's no decision or trajectory. But what we have to talk about is the total market cap. Why? Because I put out a video yesterday, and what I was worried about, or what I was concerned about, is that the total market cap could not break above the daily high. We could not create a market structure break, we call it. And we do have that. So that's fantastic. Finally, the total market cap broke above it. That is a very strong indication that there's actually money coming in. It's not just a real location and, you know, pushing funds all around the place, but actually money coming into the market. And the total market cap had a decent push through the daily high, and therefore creating a market structure break. That is, it was the main structural point, and now it made a market structure break. So this is a very, very good sign that we are heading to a good direction to the bull market, right? Whether it's the bull, whether it's the bear, we'll have to see. But what is for certain is that we do have a confirmed market structure break on the total. Now we are expecting the pullback, right? So this is what we're debating. And here is something that I want to talk about before I move on to Bitcoin, because I've got a lot of heat for my tweet about Solana yesterday. And my predictions and whatnot. If you follow this channel, if you are here in the daily shows, my hit rate is probably like 80%. But I'm not afraid to voice my opinion. And this is what trading is about. This is what the market reading is about. This is why markets move, because people think different things. Did I miss this pump in term, you know, on the long term? This is why I haven't sold my spot bag. I was expecting Bitcoin to go to 37,500, 37,300 or 41,000, as you've seen in my videos and in the live shows. Did I miss this trade and get a stop loss? Yes, I did. Is that a problem? No, because I'm a trader. I know this is part of the game. Getting it wrong is part of the game. What matters is that if you follow this channel, you know exactly that we've been expecting the pump to 41,000. but we have missed some of the trades or got some stop losses, or I have gotten some stop losses because I misread the market. And that's fine. Like, if someone comes in and hates on that, you should fucking unsubscribe. That's what it is, you know? So this is what trading is about. Trading is about voicing your opinion, and I'm happy to voice my opinion, and I will keep voicing my opinion and show you what I think and tell you what I think. And you know, if that doesn't work, then that's unfortunate. All right, let me look at the total two. Total 2, retesting, right? So this is still the area where total broke. So this is still the area where total was responsible for the break, although we have not closed below here, which is a strong indication as well that we're good. We will see a retest here, or we are seeing a retest here, and then a potential reversal. Total 2 means everything except Bitcoin. That could mean, this could also mean that Bitcoin will be the one pushing. So it doesn't mean that we're going to go down, but it does mean that Bitcoin will be pushing. Total 3, very nice breakout, very nice breakout. So we've got all kinds of signals here. The total 3 is started to take liquidity. We need to see a break above this high to confirm. Actually, we need to see a break above this high. This would be also ideal, right? But we need to see a break above this high. So these are the levels that we need to break in order to confirm like some kind of altcoin relief rally. But let's look at Bitcoin. Here's the controversial part, right? Let me look at the chat before we go forward. Guys, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. We do this every single day, and very important, if you want to join the community, it's free of charge. Just join us in the Telegram group. You've got all the information there. Go into the announcement channel, check the pinned post. I've created a specific video, a special video for the Telegram group. Go there, click on there, join us, and yeah, concur. Let me look at the chat. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bull time. Simon saying bull time, bull time, bull time. Let's see. Yes, I'm 15 minutes early because I have to leave. Thank you so much, Mountain Runner. Thank you for being here. Oh, you got your girl power in the house. I love that. Yes, I know we are doing BitGet. BitGet is coming soon, and also BingX. BingX is already available. So many chat. Wait, hold on. Rain in the house. Give it up for Rain in the house. Yeah, same here. I expected 22.6k, and then the ETF news came. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, this is the problem as well, and this is why I think this is artificial. So we talk with Rain a lot, obviously, but yes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Let's look at Bitcoin. Your link tree in this video description isn't working. Can someone confirm that, please? Ha! Whew. Someone is a legend. Why doesn't it work? You are such a legend. Thank you so much for noticing this. Let me just adjust it here. 2 seconds. Quick. I don't know why it doesn't work, by the way. It should. It should work. It's so weird. Okay, I'll sort it out, but it should work now. It should work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Hey, you can go on my Twitter and see it there, but let me just post it in the comments here. Does this work? I don't know what the problem there is, but we'll see that. Okay, so let's jump into Bitcoin. Guys, if you want to win an iPhone, click in the description below. Come to the Telegram, get all the info, and so on. So let's look at Bitcoin. So if I look at Bitcoin, here's what I see. What I've been saying from the very first of all, let me do. Oh, I'll have to swap to BYBIT, by the way. Drew is saying is the alarm icon. Hold on for a second. Hold on, guys. Gotta see this. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Until then, I just want to tell you that if the fact that, you know, the fact that we have missed this does not mean that we're stupid. You know, it means that we have a different view. It means that we were expecting something else. And what's going to happen now is that we will see Bitcoin. So what I'm going to explain to you right now is that we will see Bitcoin pushing. Try the description, please, right now, if you can. Someone please try the description if it works. All right, so let me look at this. Let me look at this. Bitcoin. Sorry about this technical glitch. Okay, so Bitcoin broke above this level, right? So we do have a market structure break. We leave liquidity here, but I think now, looking at this, I think this is obsolete because it will be left most probably for the next bear or whatever that is. So this liquidity is gone here. What I'm expecting is the following. As I've said from, you know, weeks ago, if you follow my content, you know that we're expecting Bitcoin to come back to the equilibrium. Thank you, Drew. The link tree is working now. So come join the community. Come join the community. So we are pushing. Now, the first level that I'm looking at is this 37,354. This is the actual level that I'm interested at taking a short. But again, we need to take a little time for confirmations. I am still going to take a short position because I think this is not... The overall thoughts on this whole situation is that yes, we are pushing. Yes, this can be the beginning of the bull market. Yes, I am most certain that this is the beginning of the bull. If you're on spot, don't sell it. If you are, you know, if you are looking at a 1 to 2 year time frame, don't do anything else. But if you want to trade with us and if you're looking for a gain, I think shorting Bitcoin, especially as a hedge on your... I'm not touching my spot. I told you about this. I've been in for since like February, March. I've been full all in. There's nothing to do there, you know. Yeah, on trading though, I think we are going to see a pullback. So whether the pullback is from now, and I'll give you the entry as well because I have a short entry already now on Bitcoin. I would expect either to reverse from here. Because we are seeing weakness around here, and this is the level that 2 days ago we talked about this in the show. This is a decent OB on the 4 hour. This is a very decent order block up here, and we do come up to this bearish order block. We touch onto it, and we see a rejection from there. So this could be the beginning of the pullback as well. And if we do pull back, we come to at least to the 50 here, which would put us to right to this 4 hour order block around 30,000. But I'm not sure if we're gonna come this low, right? So we gotta look at levels, and the first level that I'm looking at is around 31,600. This would be like the first interesting area. Actually, no. Yeah, it's 32,200. This would be a great level, but all around here, right? So all around this region, we have to see a reversal. We have to see a reversal, a lower time frame confirmation for reversal below the 50 to confirm that we are going to see a push. So right now what I'm looking at is, I'll delete all this mess here that we have. These are potential reversal areas, by the way. So all these OBs were potential reversal areas. Let me just delete this. This is still, all of this is still relevant. I think if we're gonna start losing these levels, these are the 4 hour level, right? This is the 4 hour level. So if we lose these levels, then we're gonna see a massive drop. We have built up a ton of liquidity, right? We have massive liquidity. We have built massive liquidity. We have a 50-minute OB. This is completely obsolete in my opinion. This OB could hold down here. This will be an interesting area, 33,728. But again, there is liquidity laying below and the equilibrium. So let's not forget this. These are the levels that I will be looking at longing if we get a lower time frame confirmation. But the idea here is that we are going to go to equilibrium. Now, the other thing that could potentially happen that we have been discussing already is that we just go to the equilibrium or go to this 37,350, right? So this here is a very important level. So from the 37 to 30 to 40, 41, this is a crucial level for Bitcoin, and I think we will see a pullback from here at least 50%. That would put obviously the alts down as well, and that would have a major implication. I just want to get the trade as a hedge for holding my spot bag, or just to get a nice trade, right? So I don't want to look at longs at these prices. So either we gotta see a push to here and then a pullback, then shorting the pullback and then looking for a long, or I will need to see a reversal here, which we kind of start to see, and then a pullback to any of these regions, 33,728 or even 33,100 or down the line, right? So right now what I'm seeing is that we see a rejection from the level that we marked, this 335, what was it, 35,650. We do see a rejection from this level, and we see a 5-minute and a 15-minute market structure break. It's actually up here, but you can take that level as well. But let's just take this. So you do see the dump. You do see the dump here happening. You do see the market structure shift, and that means that we are potentially coming down. So I would be looking at Bitcoin coming up, retracing to this region. I would be interested in taking a short position if we see a lower time frame confirmation at 35,455 or or 35,657. So these are the areas that I'd be looking at taking a short position. Or if we don't do that, that's the other thing, right? Because if we don't retrace, we gotta watch out for this level down here, 34,500 to 34,800. Although there is a massive liquidity built up below, right? Sell liquidity. So I'm not sure that this level will hold, but if we see a lower time frame confirmation for a reversal, we can take a long as well and then target the 37 to 41,000 region that I've been talking about. So whether the bull is back, and what's my Bitcoin like price prediction is that we are going to push, either we're going to push down, take liquidity, fill this void, come down to this. Let me just delete this because we have no rejection. Come down to this region, 34,700. Let me look at it. Yeah, around this level, right? So 34,700-ish region, and then a potential push, or we come retrace and retest these levels, then show a rejection, and then move down, targeting at least this 34,700 level. Let me look at the chat. We've got 30 people watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button, leave a comment, and I want to see, we have 19 people smashed the like button, so please like this video. It truly helps. Leave a comment. What's up? I'm gonna look at the chat right now. And also, if you want to win an iPhone, or if you want to join our incredible community, you have to go to the description down below, click on the link, and then you will find everything else. You can join the Telegram for free, nothing to do there. This is our Telegram group. We have a buzzing community, which I'm extremely happy about. And also, if you sign up with our exchange links, you will get access to our paid product until December, before it becomes paid. So it's definitely worth doing it. All right, guys, let me look at the chat. Let me look at the chat fast. Ferrari appointment. That's right. Yeah, live show. Yeah, we're gonna have, we have so much chat coming in now. We've got a lot of people watching, and what I really want to do, although it's very good for the YouTube algorithm, but I really want to encourage, early guys, like you guys being here on these lives means so fucking much. You don't even know how much it means to talk to you guys, to get these 30-40 people every day. And then already we have 150 170 people watching every day the live, later. That's massive for me. We're building something incredible here, talking to Rain and Nest every day. Guys, we are going to make millionaires in the next bull. I know that. And not in the next bull, but we're gonna make people, we're gonna help you to become consistently profitable. Whether it's forex, whether it's crypto, trading crypto is cool and fun and whatnot, but what is the reason why we're here? We're here to make money. I don't fucking care if it's crypto, if it's forex, if it's whatever that is. If we can make money, that's what we want to do, and that's what we're going to help you with. And it's going to be incredible. So it means so much that you guys are here. Thank you so much. So what I wanted to say that Drew said, there will be in the Telegram group, there is a topic that will say, live chat for the show, we're gonna have this live chat. So everybody who's an early adopter will get access to this. And that means that you will be able, if you use our links, you will be able to chat in there and get your questions answered when we're going to have 100, 200,000 people watching this show. Because then the chat is just going to fly and it will be very difficult to keep track. So we're going to have that. Good morning, good morning. I see everybody's coming in here. Nitro Bunny is saying done. That's awesome. So the paid will be 100. So the paid will be 199 a month. But if you use our links actively, it will be half price. So it will be $99 a month. But again, like we can pull in 10 to 15% a month. Again, it's trading, so maybe they'll be losing month, maybe they'll be 20, 25% a month. I don't know. But in general, you should make your money back. If you don't make your money back, then it's not worth the subscription. Just come try it. You can try it until December for free. The only thing you gotta do is to click in the description below, sign up to the link, and come join us. Somebody's saying, Fa. What's up, bro? 100% make money. Yes. All right. Let's look at the rest of these things. And I see the smashing like buttons is working. So guys, if you're watching on Twitter, come to YouTube. That's what you gotta do. Come to YouTube, subscribe to the channel, smash the like there. We have to get rain on this show as well. We have to get rain on this show. Okay, so that's about Bitcoin. I'll look at taking a short here. We have a break, so here this will be an aggressive entry. Here I will just go nuts. Yeah, targeting at least this region, but at least I'm actually targeting down here at least 30, 33. This could be a 1 to 5. This is a point of interest. If we go down here, I will take my limit in. And if we come up to this 35, 455 region, I will take a confirmation entry. I will need to see a lower low on the 1 minute. Seven reign supremacy. Reign supremacy. That's where we go. Bitcoin dominance. You see that we marked this level, this 53.47. I said that we're gonna come down here. We did. We have a market structure shift on this as well, meaning that the dominance is gonna pick up again. The final target for dominance, not the final, but like my next target for dominance is 56%. Again, the equilibrium on the daily. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can re-watch the shows. We are waiting for the equilibrium to be achieved, and then potentially even 60% dominance. And then swap. Now this is also interesting. We've been talking about the USDT dominance, and if you look at this on the daily, we see a massive tap onto this to this daily demand. Now here's why this is interesting, because we see on the 1 hour, we see a market structure shift again. So we see a tap onto this point of interest down here, and we see a higher high on the dominance, and that means that the dominance might start pushing, and that actually aligns very nicely with our thesis of Bitcoin pushing down to this 33,000 region. You know, so definitely something to watch out for. Potentially a retest to the 6.6% and then a move on. Massive liquidity above as well, so we will need to see a push on the dominance, in my opinion. There is no final target, but we will need to see a push. We'll need to see a break above here as well, the 4 hour and the daily high, which is around 6.85. If we don't see that, then dominance can push down to this 5.9 region, then potentially the rally to the 41 we talked about. Again, probabilities. So, I mean, it's been fucking crazy yesterday. In the Telegram group, we were going crazy. I disrespected the pump. I'll be honest with you. That's the honest truth. You know, I misread this. It made the like, if you look at this, I don't even know if I want to talk about this. But you have to, you know, I'm owning up to it. Like, that's the thing. Like, I'm gonna own up all to everything we do, because this is trading, right? If you've got proper risk management, these should not be an issue. You know, Ren yesterday posted. I talked to him in the group, and Ren from Banta, he was like, "How's your Sol trade going?" And I'm like, wrecked. And then, but Ren has positions with like minus 86% profit. So I was telling him that my wrecked is not his kind of wrecked, you know. It's a 1% stop loss. Okay, so this was the interesting part, right? Because we came up here, and then we do show a 5-minute market structure shift, but this is the thing that you do not want to disrespect the pump. Like, look at this. This is a clear, strong market structure shift on the on the 5-minute chart in a very major resistance area. Like we wick through, we come, we reject. I was short here. I was short here, and even on the 1 minute, we see the rejection here, and I'm like, okay, this looks good. No, it doesn't. Right, all right. So then we're waiting, and then we see this massive fucking rejection. Oh no, what was it? We saw this one. No, where was it? We see this here on the low time. I don't even know what was the next one, but I know that maybe it was on the based on the order block. But we shorted that as well. So anyway, I screwed this up. Big ups for Solana and everybody who got the pump. We eventually got the 10% dump. You know, we eventually got this 12-13% dump, but it was way higher than what I expected it to be. We'll have to see what comes next on Solana. Price prediction on Solana potentially coming up to again, I'm still expecting a reversal. Like, just to be very clear, I'm still expecting a sub 30 Solana. So it's not a question. I'm still expecting the sub 30 Solana, sub 32, let's say. We need to see a retest and then a potential long. But these would be, so everything that we start building now, especially on the show and from next Monday on the community calls every morning, could also be considered a generational longs, so to say. So for the next bull, I know Nest is also preparing some alls that he's longing on perpetual, and those are gonna be, you know, the longs that could yield $100,000 in the next bull. You put a $500 long on something, and if you take that to all-time high, you know, Solana from here as well, it's like 400-500%. So imagine putting a position in on $500 at 10x, 20x, and pulling a 500% on that. You know, we're talking thousands and thousands of percentages. So it could be an interesting thing to look at, and we will have calls in the community, which will be Discord. You should join the Telegram, by the way. If you want to be up to date, scan this if you're on desktop, or there's a link in the description. Subscribe to the channel. We do this every single day, and I'll need to leave in 10-15 minutes. Yeah. So we have Rihansa is saying that we should change the background image. Let me know, do you think we should change this background image? I think it's cool, but we can change it. I actually have a very nice designer who's already pulling something up. Yeah, spot sold, looking very good. This is I did not dare to sell any spot because of the pump, but yes. All right, let's look at another trade that I think actually Rain brought this to my attention this morning. Ethereum, same thing. Look at the daily. We cannot break above the main structural point, although we break above here. So that's like sufficient enough for me. We basically smashed through this OB up here, which was the beginning of the inefficiency, which is good. So this shows strength, definitely. However, massive liquidity built up. If you look at this, massive liquidity built up here, and I think that we are going to see a drop, as well as we're going to see a drop on Bitcoin. So we have this sell side liquidity here. We are looking at least to a 50% pullback, which would put us to around this very beautiful 4-hour order block. So down here, if I look at the exact level, actually this could be the level. This could be the level as well. These are even down here, but this is a great level. This is definitely a great level. 1721, or down here. You know, even anywhere here, basically anywhere down here at this point of interest. Let me just mark this point of interest 4-hour. Anywhere down here. So Ethereum price prediction, I believe that the reason why we are going to push down. By the way, just a secret, guys. The reason why I'm saying price prediction, because I've got Alan, who is a YouTube genius, and he's like, the way algo will pick up your content if you're saying stuff like price prediction and stuff like that. So the reason why I'm saying this, although I don't like to make predictions, is because of the algo. So please forgive me for that. Anyway, so I'm expecting Ethereum to dump as well. We come up to, we reject nicely, both on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. So I'll be interested in taking a short position. If you look at this, the first level that I'll be interested is the 1854, but all the way up here. So potentially this 1860, right? So again, we need to see a lower time frame confirmation here, a lower low on the 1 minute, or if your risk management allows, you can just simply enter here. Oh yeah, it does allow, yes. So it's not a stupid short. It's not a stupid short. 120. It's better if you take a confirmation, but I would be confident taking this short position here. I don't think it will come up there. Maybe it will. Or it can actually push all the way up here. So if you look at the lower time frame, you will see that the inefficiency starts from up here. So we could potentially come all the way up here. I don't think that will happen, but it is a possibility. I will set a limit short, not here, but I'll set a limit short here. Here I want to take a lower time frame confirmation. Here I'm going to set a limit short and I'll add to my position here. All right. So let's look at this. Change it to something tropical. Yeah, I will. Maybe that's a good idea. We can look at our, yes. Oh, was it Ran? Ran was making jokes about me. Can you send in the community? Can you in Telegram? Can you come into the Telegram group and let me know where it was? I want to see it. I want to see it. That would be so. Was it on the FOMC stream? Oh, I want to see that. I want to see him making jokes about me. If he's making jokes about me on the stream, guys, we have something big cooking. We have something big cooking. I can pull up all the streams from Banter, and then we can look at the hit trades. All right, can you Tomek, can you send this? Can you send that to me, please? I would so appreciate it. Whether just here or just DM me on Twitter or whatever that is, I'd love that. I would love that. Please do that. It would be so funny seeing Ren and Sheldon making fun of me. Okay, let's look at ARB. I don't want to trade any forex today. Let's look at ARB. Everything is overheated now, guys. So if Bitcoin and Ethereum drops, which I'm expecting it will, then everything will drop. You know, so that's kind of, we need a pullback. It's everything. And again, like, you know, maybe this is the beginning of the bull. Maybe there is no pullback. Maybe it's just gonna fucking rip, and I'll be the happiest person alive, because that means that my spot portfolio would go to multiplies. You know what I mean? Like, I wish I'm wrong, and I wish there is no pullback, and I wish that this is going to just go. I truly do. I wish that the market proves me wrong from you know, every single time and every single day we come here and the market just keeps ripping. I would be happy to, but that's not how markets work. Markets work in waves. Market needs pullback. Markets collect liquidity. That's how it moves forward. So this is what I'm like. This is what I'm thinking. ARB, same thing. You can look at an entry. You can look at an entry here. But again, liquidity and also the dump that we are expecting on Bitcoin and on Ethereum, I would not be confident taking a although it didn't break any main structure. So you could in theory either go onto the breaker, like if you see, let me look at the 1 minute. Did it come down 50? It did. You could take a long. You could technically take a long. You could technically take a long. Like, it would not be a stupid long. I would not recommend it. And it's such a huge stop. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. Don't touch it. Wait for it to come lower. Wait for it to come lower. Wait for it to come down here. So 95.9 would be the area. Guys, I need to leave in 5 minutes. I can look at FTM for Rihansa. Are you in the Telegram group, Rihansa? Are you in the Telegram group? You should be in the Telegram group. I want you in the Telegram group. You've been here from day 0. What's up, Nick? What's up? What's up? Let's look at FTM. Same thing. Massive liquidity, guys. Like, you know, again, I hope I'm wrong, but I don't think I am. I don't think I am. It might come back for the breaker, take the liquidity and move on. So that's also a possibility. What news, Nick? What news? Rihasa, you have to be in the Telegram group. And for everybody else who is not in the Telegram group, guys, first of all, either subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and come and join us in the Telegram group. Scan this if you're on desktop, or go and click on the description below. You will come to this page and you can join the Telegram. We have, you know, I've seen 2 people join now. We have all the stuff here, guys. Everything is going down here, and we will have, if you want a live chart, it will be on here as well on Telegram. So it's definitely worth being first mover and joining here. We will conquer. All right, guys, if you want to, just to round up everything, if you want to join us for the paid product, which will be paid from January, but you can get access for free, we start next Monday. We're gonna have live calls every day on London Open, New York Open. We're gonna grab you by the hand and guide you through every single trade. You will get a morning newsletter about the trades that we are taking. You will get a voice note about the trades that we're taking. It's not some maybe here and there in the area and 5 million other coins. We're here to make money. We're here to help you learn how to make money. I'm not here to give you fish. I want to teach you how to fish. This is what we're gonna do. It's gonna be a paid product from January, but you will be able to join if you use our links. The only thing you gotta do is to sign up with one of our referrals. You can click on any of these exchanges. I have BitGet coming. So you have to use BYBIT, BingX, or OKX. I would definitely use BYBIT now. They are giving away an iPhone for everybody who signs, for someone who signs up using my link until the 13th of November. We need 35 people for this to be, you know, working. You need to sign up to, if you click on this, you will see there's a link in the description. You can come here, you can sign up using my link, which is this, and deposit $100, fill this out. You can win an iPhone. I will raffle it on the show. And it's very, very important. If you already have a BYBIT account, you can transfer KYC, Google it. That's not an issue as well. And this whole thing will grant you access to our paid community that will be paid from January. So it's pretty cool to do. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you. That's the truth. I truly think that this is gonna be an incredible community. I'm gonna jump into the Telegram group and leave a voice note as well, so it's worth joining there. We have big things coming. We have the community launching next Monday, the actual trading community launching next week. And yeah, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you helping the algo, commenting, liking, subscribing to the channel, and all that. And I think we are on to, like, yesterday I talked to Neston and Rain, and I truly think we are onto something big. And you know, bull is nice and all that, but what I want to do, like, everybody can trade in the bull. Everybody. It's not a big deal to buy something on cross leverage, put enough margin on your account, wait for it to, you know, start taking over, and that's it. You know what I mean? So what we want to do is that we want to train you guys to be able to quit. I want to help at least 100 people to quit their job next year. That's what I want to do. I want to help 100 people to go full-time trading next year. And this is what we're going to do in the community. This is why it's going to be worth joining. This is why we're waking up every single day and working with Nest and Rain. We're going to make it. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and see you in the Telegram group. And see you here tomorrow as well. Have fun. Take care.